morning, guys. What's going on? It's about a little after 8 in the morning. Just finished with a personal training client. It is a bit snowy outside. We didn't get as much snow as a lot of people in the world did. Probably maybe 2 inches, as you can see. But nonetheless, roads are a lot different here in Virginia than in New York. They don't seem to get plowed very early. Hold on one second. Let me turn off that speaker. And I'm back. Just taking a mid-break from lifting. My body's kind of tired. We started doing the Fit 45 live classes. Every single day, so I'm alternating working out about 30 minutes of cardio body work and alternating with Nick, and then lifting 3 days. What are your New Year's resolutions? I'm kind of annoyed at seeing people post about New Year, same me, and I feel like you should always be working on yourself. I think if we don't continue to grow as a human being, the world isn't gonna become a better place, right? And you're not gonna do better. So if you're happy with where you are, you could always change something. Nobody is perfect. I want to be better. I want to continue to be a good person, help others. I feel like I've just kind of started on this journey and I want to see where it takes me. I'm super happy at this gym where I'm at. Everyone is awesome and the things that we're doing, and just want to stay positive, and that's so far where I see myself in 2018. Besides being extremely fit and fabulous at 40, right? That's besides the point. And I'm going to try and vlog every day, maybe. Let's see if I can do it. You know, weekend editions might not happen, but there was a challenge made, so let's see if I can accept the challenge. Nicholas. You think I can do it?
No, I do not. You've been saying you're going to do a vlog for months and months, and you do one vlog from your car, and you go with your ponytail, and you say, hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I'm back, and I'm going to do one. I'm going to try 3 days a week. But yeah, I've just been really busy with like naps and boys and
Those
all
are
this
important.
stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm back. I bet you can't do 10 in the next 3 weeks. 25th,
Okay.
10 videos. And there's got to be something valuable. I'm tired of seeing Matt and Minnie's dog. Can you produce something valuable to me? To anyone?
No.
What value do you add to the world?
I'm cutting this off now. Goodbye.